Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. I know it's been a while since I've been around as far as doing uploads and various projects, so I want to apologize about that, kind of keep everybody abreast of what's going on. The channel is still up and active. I am working on some projects. I've had some, we'll call it major life changes recently. For example, I moved to a new house, so you'll notice that in my videos the old garage looks a little different because I am in my new garage. So I have some furniture that I need to make for my new house, so I'm probably going to be doing all of that and uploading it for you guys to enjoy and take part in. So I do welcome, as usual, any questions or comments. I will get back to you if you have any questions as soon as I can. And I do appreciate anyone who has stuck around and supported me by subscribing. I am still trying to get to that 1,000 subscriber mark so I can get the channel monetized and I can put more finances into doing various projects and kind of showing you guys what's all possible out there, as well as just having some fun and doing things that I think are creative. And even if it doesn't quite turn out right, it's the joy of learning new things, and even if it's learning how not to do things. I think that's a big life lesson, and being able to experience how things that you think could never be used for making something that you cherish personally or you think is very valuable is one reason why I think that this is something that I enjoy as much as I do. So I do appreciate those that have stuck around. If you're new to the channel, please take a look around and drop comments on or questions on anything that you feel like. But I wanted to let everybody know there is more coming. I am working on doing editing for a kitchen table that I made entirely out of pallet wood. So, and it turned out really great. I couldn't be more happy with it. So stick around and look for that. If you hit that notification icon, as soon as I get that edited and uploaded, you will be notified and you can pop in and take a look at it as soon as it hits the channel. So as I said, I do appreciate those that have stopped by. So hit that subscribe button and the notification. And if you want to throw a like in there, that's also appreciated. But I just wanted to say thank you and kind of let you know what was going on. So stick around, take care, and be safe out there. We'll see you around.